FM पर आप सुन रहे हैं एक मुलाकात।
हेलो हाय नमस्ते, दिस इज आरजे वैष्णवी फ्रॉम 104.2 माई एफएम और आप सुन रहे हैं शो एक मुलाकात। आज के एक मुलाकात के गेस्ट बड़े ही स्पेशल है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वन पर्सन, देयर आर 3 females sitting with me right now who are here from the We Rise Foundation, who are doing something really different for all the people out there, especially for the awareness of cancer. So first we have Tanzeem, then we have Tarannum and Sophia with us, who are the founders of We Rise, I can say. So welcome to my FM.
Thank you so.
So Tanzeem, I would actually like to begin with you because I think you are the soul of all of this. So you yourself are a cancer patient, and also I would love to know that what exactly is We Rise and how did you guys come up with this idea?
So firstly, thank you to my FM for giving us an opportunity and be a part of it. So about me, I'm a 2-time cancer survivor. It's not something to be very proud of, but the best thing is there's lots that I have learned through this journey, and there's lots I've observed through this journey. I've realized that there were certain areas where there was a lot of gap. So it's time that we come together and we form a community which will have all the cancer survivors, cancer patients and all the caregivers together.
Right.
We need to give them a voice so they can share their stories, they can share their experiences. So We Rise was a thought that I've been thinking about it for a while, and then I started speaking to my siblings. I spoke to my sisters, my brothers, my husband. Shall we come up with something like this? I guess that's something which is needed in our society today.
Right.
And so We Rise was formed, and the response has been overwhelming. And We Rise, we call it that it's not just We Rise. We say We Rise celebrates life.
Right.
That's because we believe in there's a life beyond cancer, and you need to feel happy, value life and celebrate it.
Right.
इसलिए and We Rise हमारे लिए बहुत value है because We Rise के मायने ये है कि it's the feeling, it is the feeling to give hope to others. It is the feeling to give happiness and share happiness with others. And especially because we've seen the cancer journey so closely, we do have that soft corner for cancer.
You said that you had a lot of support and love from your family, your friends. So your family is here, your friend is also here.
Yeah.
So I would love to move to Tarannum ma'am, who is your sister. So ma'am, how is your journey been with We Rise and when it comes to Tanzeem?
As far as Tanzeem is concerned, it makes me feel proud about her as she's a real fighter, you know. It was her willpower, you know. जीने की जो चाह होती है, अगर उसमें खुद में ना होती तो शायद हम लोग उसको उतना मोटिवेट या सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाते। जो उसका फर्स्ट फेज था वो उसने इतनी आसानी से और इतनी हंसी खुशी से गुजार दिया था कि वी नेवर रियलाइज कि शी हैज गॉन थ्रू दैट पैच। बट व्हेन इट हैपेंड सेकंड टाइम, डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ शॉक. And also it came as a question to the Almighty, why her again, you know.
Right.
But then maybe there was something good that is going to happen to her, that is why it has come. वो अगर मैं वो उम्मीद हमारे दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं you know उजाला कर गई, और that was a spark that I had to keep on burning in myself.
Right.
Because she needed a mental support very strongly that time. तो एक तरफ ये था कि हमको तंजीम को संभालना है, एक तरफ ये था कि हमको हमारे पेरेंट्स को भी संभालना है. But my parents, they themselves are so strong, you know. इमोशनली उनका स्ट्रेंथ, जो मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ है वो हम लोग से कहीं ज्यादा है. इनफैक्ट घर में अगर कोई भी बीमारी हो, मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ कि कैंसर हो, वो बीमार को आप बीमार मत समझो, वो बीमार को हमेशा आप नॉर्मल रहने दो. अगर आपने बीमार को नॉर्मल रहने दिया ना तो उसकी जो जीने की तमन्ना होती है ना वो डबल जागती है और वो उस मुसीबत से डेफिनेटली बाहर निकल सकता है. तो ट्रीट द पेशेंट एब्सोल्युटली एज अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग, जैसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. माहौल को मत बदलो. जब सब फेस खत्म हो गया, शी वाज आउट ऑफ द ऑपरेशन थिएटर एंड शी सेड आई वांट टू डू समथिंग. मैं खुद के लिए नहीं, मैं इन लोगों के लिए कुछ करना चाहती हूँ. एंड वी सेड या गो अहेड, वी आर देयर विद यू. दिस इज हाउ वी राइज हैपेंड. एंड देन इवेंचुअली हम लोग फ्रेंड्स लोग मिलते गए, बात बढ़ती गई. सब चला था जानी पे मंजिले अकेला मगर कारवा बढ़ता गया. इज दैट वे. दैट्स हाउ वी राइज हैपेंड. सो अगर मैं, इफ आई कैन राइज, लेट्स all rise. So that is how We Rise has happened to us.
So let's move on to the friend part from family, that is Sophia ma'am. So ma'am, how has We Rise been for you?
So from the beginning, we were aware of Tanzeem going through various parts of her journey, and we were offering support from outside, but not being too overbearing, like Tarannum said. as friends, not only Tanzim, but me personally, I know of many of my friends who've gone through various kinds of cancer. And I'm also aware of not only the physical drain, but the emotional and mental stress that the person undergoes, the family undergoes, and also the immediate friend circle.
Right.
So one of the thoughts that came up in the conversation is, why not have a kind of, support network? Let's have something like that, where we at least talk it out. By somebody who's not able to speak much hears Tanzim's story, will say कि oh ये तो somebody like me, and would get more himmat from this kind of thing.
Right.
So as friends, when Tanzim voiced this, we were like, let's do this. This is a very great cause, and our idea is, of course, to have more and more people who have been cancer patients, who've survived cancer, their immediate family, their friend circle, and and so on. And let's have a support system, so then we can build on that. Let's see what other things we can have in this space. So that's how we friends got all connected. And we were just discussing before this, Nasik is so blessed. We have amazing people who are always ready to jump in for a good cause, and we just had to send the word around, and so many of our so that is the beauty of our wonderful city Nasik. The people are so, people are all heart over here, dil se dil se जो कनेक्शन है हमारे नासिक में, वो मुझे नहीं लगता है और दूसरे शहर में इतना होता.
They're always there for you. They will come up. Yeah, that is true.
Yes.
So We Rise is coming up with a new activity on the 28th of February. So what exactly is this activity, and how is it different? How is it going to make a difference?
काफी लोगों ने मुझे पूछा कि why 28th of Feb. Last year 28th of Feb को I underwent massive surgery. सब लोग जो फैमिली थे, मेरे हस्बैंड की तो शक्ल देखने लायक थी. So and that's when I picked up this date कि 28. तो 28th Feb को I'm going to run. और मैं अकेली नहीं भागूंगी. I want people to come and celebrate their life with me. It's like a tribute for them. कि you are not alone. We are with you, and come with us. This is appeal to everybody who understand our feeling. We also have another option. People who can't be on site in Nasik, they can support this noble cause virtually. We've given them an option to join us virtually. So all they have to do is register as a virtual option. And when they do their run or a walk, whatever it is, there's no age limitation, there's no distance limitation, whatever you can do, but just express your love and respect for all the cancer survivors or patients going through it.
So there's only this last question: how can people register? Where does this begin from? Where does this end? And how do people even connect virtually?
We've formed a group by the name of We Rise Celebrates Life on Facebook. We are also on Insta by the name of We Rise _celebrates life. We are doing this in association with Manav. And yes, you please register through the link which has been shared on different platforms. On site का we want to restrict the number of participation considering that it's a pandemic. And virtually तो कोई भी किधर से भी कर सकता है. आप virtually register कीजिए same platform से.
Definitely. So I think this marathon is going to create a huge difference because you have to be there and create a difference. So yes, registrations शुरू हो गए हैं. आप register कर सकते हो. It is free. There's no age limit, and the marathon is on 28th of February, beginning at HCG Manavta, like we all know. So thank you so much, three of you coming here. Nashik, stay tuned to 104.2 My FM. चलो आज कुछ अच्छा सुनते हैं.
My FM पर आप सुन रहे हैं एक मुलाकात.